doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties. Ever have one of those days where there are a lot of things trying to rain on your parade? Yeah, that's pretty much me today. So I'm just gonna take a little break and do something that I wanna do. And I'm not sure if this backdrop has anything to do with today's video, but like I said, I'm doing what I want. As an adult doll collector and toy enthusiast, I love Disney Doorables, miniature Disney characters in a surprise box. What's not to love? Well, maybe the surprise box thing. Over the last few weeks, I have been buying these and stockpiling them from Amazon. And today, we are going to open a few of them up. This is the Multi-Peak Series 8. There are 5, 6, or 7 figures inside. There are some special edition scented ones. Personally, I don't need that, but I do need anything turning red related. There they are. I had May, but I misplaced her, and now I can't find her. But there is no use in crying over lost Doorables. Let's just open another one. Now that Disney Doorables are under Just Play, they are larger. Ooh, collector's guide. Focus. Our first Doorable is the King of Hearts with glittery eyes. But I'm okay with the larger size. I just want to get those turning red figures. Is today our lucky day? Aw, it's baby Tiana! You're not from Turning Red, but you are adorable. And let's see. What do we have here? It is Sela from Monsters, Inc. This one is ultra rare, but I would rather have the red panda. So let's keep going. Will this be my turning red? All right, and no. It's Hades. Dude, I know how you feel. And here we have... this feels like a cone. It better not be Candlehead from Wreck-It Ralph. Seriously? It's a double. But if you look closely, they are slightly different. One door to go. Come on, you're supposed to make me feel better. And here we have... Belle. You know, I have no problem with Belle. She's cool. She's just not turning red. Here's a little comparison of Disney Doorables under Moose and Disney Doorables under Just Play. See? I'm good on Candlehead. But now that my Disney Doorables Just Play collection is growing, you know I need some kind of display. You know how we do this. Wooden panel from the Dollar Tree. Glue on a few strips of wood. Wait, let's paint it first. Now we can glue on the strips of wood to make a quick shelf that we can hang on the wall and fill it with minifigures. We can probably even cut a door or two out of the packaging and add it to the shelf. I didn't get my turning red figures, so let's try again. Here's another Series 8 Multi-Peak. How many doors do I have? Oh man, only 5. All right, well, let's go ahead and get started, because we still might get a turning red figure. I still have paint on my hands. I am not gonna worry about that today. Here we have Meg. She is rare, but she's not turning red. I'll put you down there with Hades. And let's try this again. We're opening the next door. I think this is Alice. Come on, don't be Alice, don't be Alice. Yay! It's Abby! Oh man, her face is all messed up. I'm happy I found a turning red figure. Let's keep going. Maybe she was battling the panda and that's why her face has a few scratches. That's what I'm gonna tell myself, so I feel better about it. And here we have Alice in Wonderland. What is this, Tweedledee or Tweedledum? It's Tweedledum. I already had Alice, so we're getting a nice little collection. And here we have, it is Iridessa. Aw, she's rare. And our last one is, I can't handle the suspense, another Wreck-It Ralph figure. If you want to take some of the guesswork out, there are themed collections. This is the Disney Princess Collection Peek with 8 figures inside and a possible bonus. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, I opened this wrong. There's a perforated edge here. Oops. Okay, well, we're just gonna pretend that didn't happen. And it looks like we have 2 new doors that we can add to our shelf. So let's carefully open those and check out our first Disney princess. Here we have Cinderella. Her dress is gold and blue, and there is glitter on her headband. And Ariel, wearing pink and gold. We are guaranteed 8 princesses, so a lot of the fear for doubles is gone. Hello, Aurora. And it's pretty cool to know which one we're getting, like Snow White, but to be honest, I'm kind of missing the fear. Here's Belle, all in gold. And here she is next to the other Belle. And here we have Mulan in pink and rose gold. We are down to Jasmine and Tiana. And here is Tiana in green and gold, which means this is Jasmine. Saying I miss the fear is probably not the best word choice. I should have said I miss the excitement. Yeah. It does come with a special edition certificate, so we know which dolls we got. I mean, Doorables. Yeah. And I have 2 new doors. I wish I had known that before I got all of these. Yes, I know. The woman who complains about doubles is now missing the chance of getting them. Inside, there is another special edition certificate, and this one gives us a lot of doors we can cut out. There is a chance to get a bonus figure, but I don't think I'm getting one because I have 8 doors. Awesome! We have Jack Skellington, and he looks really good. My paint is very neat. I'm loving those eyes, and the certificate says that he is a glow-in-the-dark figure. And he looks great with our background. Here's the Oogie Boogie and Beryl. I'm ready for my close-up. And the mayor, whose head can spin. Here we have Lock, Shock, and Zero. The last one is Sally. I didn't get the bonus figure, but I think these 2 are pretty cute. Here is the Muppets collection peek. Y'all, I love me some Muppets, okay? There's a certificate. Now let's open some doors. I didn't get the bonus figure because there's only 8 doors. It's the dog. What was his name? Rolf? To be honest, all I care about is Miss Piggy and Kermit. I mean, I love you too, Gonzo. Yeah, I gotta be careful about what I say. You never know who's listening. Like Sam. Just joking. I know they're just minifigures. And to be honest, I never knew his name was Sam until today. It's Fozzie! I love the Muppets. They were one of my favorites growing up. Oops, dropped Dr. Honeydew. I just lived for the scenes with Miss Piggy. To see what she was wearing. What's up, animal? Here's a close-up. When I saw that Doorables were making Muppets, it was a total must-have for me. Here's Kermit, and he's super cute. Which means the last one is Miss Piggy. Looking oh so fabulous. Love you guys. Disney Encanto was just released, and this one gives us 9 exclusive figures. There's no surprise figure. This one gives you all of them. I wonder if the doors are gonna look like The Encanto doors. Can you see them? Do they? Do they? Do they? All right, come on. Let's just open the box. Oh, well, okay. We are getting a little bit of a glow, so that's different. Here's the certificate, and our first figure is... Ooh, the bags are pink. Please be Mirabelle. It's Peppa. Her hair is braided in the back, and she has a glittery dress. You know what? I changed my mind. I love the fact that I know we're getting all the figures. Here's Camilio. Sorry, I'm probably destroying his name, but I am loving these little figures. And look, it's Dolores. Just as cute as she wants to be. I bet you this is Antonio. Let's see. Yup. Look at all that hair. I just noticed they are going in order of what's on the certificate. Oh wait, I was wrong. Here's Isabella with glittery flowers. But see, the first ones were in order. So I thought it was a thing, but it wasn't a thing. Here's Julieta, loving the gray girl. Embrace the grays. If you're looking for advent calendar ideas for the holidays, one of these could totally work. You would just be opening it 9 days out. You know what I'm saying? All right. Ooh, we got Bruno. And he's using his powers. I love the motion and the hair. Super cool in my opinion. Just 2 to go. Here we have Luisa. Wait, is she smaller than Dolores? And the last one is Mirabelle. With her painted on green glasses, we still get those glittery eyes. I think Mirabelle was done really well as Bruno. However, I would have liked to have seen a larger Luisa. You know what I mean? Because even Hades has some height. We've almost filled the shelf already. It totally looks like Mini Toya has a Disney toy collection with all of her figures out of the box and on display. But what if we want them in the box? I can't help but look at Disney Doorables as pops for dolls. Big heads, bubbly eyes. Do you see it? So I made a box printable inspired by the Pops boxes. I left some room to adjust the size. I printed mine on cardstock. I set the printer to high quality, and I did full page, which is slightly larger than 100%. On my printer, anyway. Let's cut one out. Cutting around the outside line. Fold on the lines. Then let's fold it over on the side with this little window area and cut it out. I don't know if I made both rectangles the same size, so I use my X-Acto knife to finish cutting it out. I take the tab on the end and I'm gonna glue it to the other side. I press and hold for a minute while it dries. Then when we open it, we have a little box. So now we're just gonna glue the bottom to make a little box where we can fit the Doorables inside. Close the top, tucking the tab in so our dolls can have toys in the box. We can take it a step further and cut a small piece of clear plastic, fold it in half, open it to a right angle, place it in the box, and glue or apply a little double-sided tape to hold it in place, giving our box a little plastic window. I kept the box pretty generic so we could put any minifigure inside, well, that can fit. To stop the figures from wiggling around, I just made a few hot glue discs and glued them to them to give them a little more support in the box. Then we can place it on the shelf so our dolls can have some of their figures in the box and some of them out. I still have a little space on that bottom shelf. So let's quickly check out Disney Doorables. Let's go. Here we get Disney characters with a destination theme. And this is totally a surprise box. Oh, we get luggage. There can be 5 to 7 figures. And I can't open that one, so let's try this one. Yep, my phone's going off. But we're gonna ignore that and keep going. The bag looks like a little suitcase. And inside we have Eeyore wearing a bucket hat. This one is blue, so it means ultra rare. Ooh, there was more than one in a compartment. And here we have Daisy Duck, all in pink. I think she's wearing a kimono. I wonder who this is. Olaf with glittery sunglasses. And I think that's a coconut with a straw. So I guess he's on vacation. The last one had 4, so I ended up with 7. And a little collector's card that looks like a poster. We finally got a bonus figure. Yeah! Here's Jiminy Cricket with a popsicle. And Elsa! It's Elsa with a snowball. These are cute little action scenes. Piglet! It looks like Piglet ice skating. And the last one is Mickey! Oh man, he has a little mark on his face. But now our Disney Doorable shelf is pretty much full. Thank you for joining us while we had fun today checking out Disney Doorables, made a display shelf, and a few boxes. And I feel a lot better after a little light crafting and some mini toys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!